Have you just booked a holiday to Thailand? Do you have a drone? Well, wait. Do you know the laws in Thailand? Don't worry. This video is for you.
Hi guys, my name is Keith and welcome to my channel, and on today's video we're going to be talking about drone registration in Thailand. So you've just booked the holiday of a lifetime to Thailand and you want to bring your drone, but you don't know what the rules or the regs are. Don't worry, this video is here to tell you exactly what to do. As of about October 2017, the Thai government introduced the drone registration program. You need to register your drone before you fly in Thailand legally. If you don't do this, you can face up to 5 years in jail or 100,000 baht fine, or both. 100,000 baht is about 2,300 quid or about 2,500 US dollars, depending on exchange rates. So how do you register your drone in Thailand? Right, well, there are 3 ways to do this. You can register it with the CAAT, which is the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. You can register it with the NBTC, which is the National Broadcast and Telecommunications Commission. That's a mouthful. Or you can register it at your local police station. If you're flying to Thailand in about 4 to 5 months, the best way to do this is to register it with the CAAT online. I will take you through that in a second. If you don't have that amount of time, don't panic. Bring your drone with you and you can register it in person at either the NBTC office or the local police station. I have registered my drone at the local police station. I've also registered my drone through the CAAT website. I'll take you through both steps on this video. Okay, there's a few things that you need before you register your drone in Thailand. No matter which way you decide to do it, you need these before you go. The first thing you need is insurance. You need to get international insurance, which will cover you for a minimum of 1 million baht, which is about 25,000 quid. You need to get the covering letter, which clearly states the model of the drone and your name on it. Bring that with you, or a copy of that. You will need a copy of your passport. If you require a visa, you will also need a copy of that. If you're coming to Thailand and you're registering it in Thailand, you need to show proof of your address. In this case, usually an invoice from a hotel should do. If you're registering online, they sometimes require proof of address when you're in Thailand. So make sure you show booking confirmation or have proof of the booking confirmation of whichever hotel you're staying in for the most. If you're traveling around Thailand a bit, include the one where you're staying the most amount of time. Okay, whichever way you register, you will also need pictures of your drone. So the best thing to do is take a picture of your drone on top, a picture of your drone from the side, and a picture from your drone underneath. You will also need a picture of the serial number of a drone. On DJI drones, or most DJI drones, it's under where the battery is, here. So make sure that you get a picture underneath of the drone as well, clearly identifying the serial number. You'll also need a picture of the controller. Now, on a DJI drone, again, a front picture of that and a back picture with the serial number of the controller clearly. Also, make sure you have a copy of the receipt of the drone. They've never required this, but when I went to the police station, they asked for a copy of the receipt. So make sure you've got a copy of that. Okay, now that you've got everything together, you've scanned it into the computer, and you've got 6 months left before you come to Thailand, you can register it online at the address included in the description below. I'll take you through the starting steps of this now. Okay, so you follow the link in my description below and you've come to this website. What you need to click on is drone register here. Don't worry, some of this site's in Thai, but the relevant fields are in English. As you can see down here, you have to read through all of these things, click on accept. There's another tab up here. You then have to read through all of these regulations, click accept again. There is a third tab, which you click on up here. You can download this, which takes you through all the rules and conditions, but I'll go through the basics in the video later on. Click on accept and then click on accept and access website. Once you put all your information in, uploaded all the required documents, you should get an email confirmation saying they've received your request to register your drone. This process can take up to 3 months. They only introduced the online registration in the summer of 2018, so at the moment, reports are it's still taking about 3 months, but this time might come down. But allow at least 3 months for this before you get your confirmation through. Okay, so you're coming to Thailand in the next month and you haven't got time to register it online. What's the best way to register your drone? Okay, there are two ways you can do it, as I detailed earlier on in the video. You can go to the local police station or you can go to the NBTC office. Now, if you're going to the local police station, my recommendation is that you have somebody with you that speaks Thai. Most of the time, even in the touristy spots, the police proclaim not to speak English. That's not always the case, but most of the time the person working behind the desk doesn't speak English. So if you don't have that and you don't have enough Thai that you're confident enough to do that at the police station, then my recommendation is you find the nearest NBTC office and go there. If you're in one of the touristy areas like Phuket or Chiang Mai or Bangkok, there's an office nearby and they are more likely to speak English there. So take your drone with you. No matter if you go to the police station or the NBTC, make sure you've got your drone with you. If you're going to the NBTC office, there's a link in here below. Print off their form. Their form is different to the CAAT form. At the moment, there is only this form in Thai, so just print it off. Don't worry about filling it out. Take the form with you. In fact, take a couple of copies with you and take yourself up to the NBTC office. There is somebody there that should be able to help you and they speak English. The whole process probably won't take you more than half an hour, but this is Thailand, so remember to stay patient. Sometimes they might be busy, there might be things going on, so it might take you longer. Always stay calm. If you get angry or irate, they're less likely to help you. It's a Thai thing, just trust me. Stay calm.
Woosah.
Once you've registered your drone at the NBTC, they should be able to give you a certificate or some piece of paper with a stamp on it that says you're good to go and you're good to fly your drone in Thailand legally. If you're doing it at the police station, they give you a different piece of paper with their stamp on it that says you're allowed to fly your drone in Thailand. I have been stopped once while flying my drone by a police officer. I produced the registration I did at the police station and he was absolutely fine with it, no problem. In fact, the only thing he wanted to do was buy my drone. Okay, so you've registered your drone, everything's legal and you're good to fly. What are the rules in Thailand? Well, those good folks at the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand have provided this handy infographic and it's in English. So with the click of my fingers, here it is. Now this infographic is a bit out of date because if you notice in the bottom right hand corner, it says any act of violation is subject up to 1 year imprisonment or fine of up to 40,000 baht. That is now not the case. It is 5 years in prison and 100,000 baht fine. So let's go through the basic rules here. It says do not fly close to manned aircraft. Well, that's kind of a given. If you're flying a drone near a manned aircraft, please put your drone away and never fly again. Do not fly close to any persons, vehicle, constructions or buildings or a distance less than 30 meters horizontally. In other words, don't fly near any skyscrapers, condo buildings or anything else like that. If the police catch you doing that or somebody complains, you will have your drone taken away even if it's registered. Do not fly in a restricted area, official state facilities, hospitals without authorization. Okay, this being Thailand, they are very sensitive about religious hotspots. So if you're going to Bangkok, for instance, there's a lot of no-fly zones around there. If you've got a DJI drone, check the app because half the time there's a no-fly zone in Bangkok, especially over tourist hotspots like Grand Palace and other big temples like Wat Po. I wouldn't even try flying your drone over there. In fact, if you want to fly your drone near a temple and you can check with them, it's best to do so before you do this because you can inadvertently end up causing offense. And Thais don't take kindly to tourists inadvertently offending their religion. So whatever you do, if you're flying your drone near a temple, double check that it's all right to do this. Do not fly your drone within 9 kilometers or 5 nautical miles of any airport. That's a given. It's obvious. Okay, so the height limit in Thailand for flying a drone is 90 meters. In the UK, it's about 120 meters and about 400 feet in the States, which I think is roughly the same thing. The Thai authorities are coming down on people flying drones higher than this. There are several people that have been caught posting videos on Facebook forums where they clearly show the drone flying higher than 90 meters. They have then been blacklisted, so when they've come back to Thailand again, they've been either refused entry or had their drone immediately confiscated. The Thai authorities do check these forums and they do come down on you. Okay, another tip for you, don't fly your drone over container ports because the security tend to get funny about it. Also, whatever you do, do not fly over anything that even looks slightly military-like. The Thai government is military controlled at the moment, and they are absolutely paranoid about people flying drones over any of those kind of bases. Just don't do it. Don't even try it. If you do it and you get caught, you could be in a lot of trouble. There are a number of areas down in Phuket and Krabi where they have banned drones. Look out for any signs that say this. If you see a sign, don't try and fly. Again, the security will come down on you like a ton of bricks. Also, don't try and fly your drone over any large crowds. If there are security or police around and they see this, they will come down on you. Okay guys, that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you've got any questions or comments or need any help or need any further clarification on the rules, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and look out for my next video on all things drone. Thanks for watching guys, take care and happy flying.